always have more footage than intros for Wick videos, so that's why some of them don't have intros. But here's a little clip of Wick describing the new throttle pedal. And let's just say the lack of quality on the new one. Alright, so Wick's working on the accelerator pedal. Tell the story about that new pad.
Yeah, so this comes in a kit. You get the parking brake, clutch, brake, accelerator pedal. Except this is a piece of shit. Plastic.
Hard plastic crap.
Rubber. Original rubber.
And you can tell just by running your hand over it.
Piece of shit.
Foot will slip off this piece of shit. But this, there's actual friction and grip.
So we're sticking with the old one. I'll just do a little cleanup on it.
A little cleanup. Put the pretty new trim on. Wick had this upside down. I was like, oh, Wick, you did a good job. And I turned it over and go, oh, you haven't done it yet. Never mind. So, progress.